Welcome to Robert Christopher Yacht Sales. Today's feature boat is this 2007 45-foot Albin Command Bridge. It's a classic Downey-style cruising yacht produced by one of the oldest boat builders in America. Albin is known for their durable, blue water yet affordable yachts. They currently build boats from 26 to 85 feet. This 45 Albin is powered by twin 3126 Caterpillars. She's a dealer leftover and has never been sold. If you purchase this yacht, you would be her first owner. She is being sold as a brokerage boat, so the freight, make-ready, and commissioning is being paid by Albin. This is a savings of over $30,000. Her current asking price is $398,000. We are open to offers, and she is available to be seen, and as you can see, is in the water. She has a wonderfully large bridge, and her cockpit is extraordinarily big for a boat this size. She also has a large foredeck. Since this is a new boat, she will need a new top, whether it's a hard top or a bimini top, and a new electronics package. She has a large galley area and a dinette that actually serves as much of a salon as just a dinette. Going forward, she has two heads, both on the port side, a starboard side guest cabin, which features a double berth, and a forward cabin with a very, very large king-size bed. One shower services both heads, which is a very traditional style. She has wonderfully warm fit and finish, and this is a nicely appointed 45-foot Albin. For more information on the purchase and acquisition of this great 45-foot Albin, call Robert Christopher Yachts, 203-356-0400. Thank you for viewing this video.